Hi everybody, this is Crypto Millionaire here with another video on cryptocurrency, and today we're going to go ahead and talk about the DavorCoin. As y'all can see, this coin is getting ready to take over the market. Y'all can already find it on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, it's crazy, already at $140.57. And if you look at the history here, this coin basically just started. They just started on December 20th, and it started at around, and you can see here, $20-something, and we're already barely getting ready to hit the 1 month anniversary, and it's already skyrocketed all the way up to $140 to $150. So, what is the DavorCoin? The DavorCoin, it's another lending platform similar to Bitconnect, which everybody already knows. And actually, it's paying killer percentages, basically much higher than Bitconnect. As you can see, we're getting ready for 1.71% on January 15. We had pretty much the only day that it was below 1% was on January the 13th, but pretty much, as you can see, it's been paying killer percentages, interest rates per day. And I just started this account here on December 30th, which is roughly 15 days ago. And as y'all can see, I started with $126, and I've done some other loans in here, $179, $510, $20. Actually, these are reinvestments, $137. And after today, I've already earned $85 in interest. So if you are familiar with Bitconnect, it's exactly the same thing. It's just a different coin. It's newer. The coin is just rising, going up. So guys are gonna get a lot of opportunities to earn a lot of high interest rates if you start investing now. As you can see, it's already gained more than $100 since the coin started at less than a month ago, and there's no reason for it to stop, guys. You gotta take opportunity of this. As you can see, and if you want to lend, this is happening because I don't have any coins right now available to lend. But if you want to lend, all you got to do is click on Start Lending. First of all, you got to go to your wallet and you got to deposit Bitcoins into the Davor. As I was saying, killer interest rates are being paid out, 1.71%. So to start lending, as you can see, just click on Start Lending. This is the packages. If you lend out an amount between $100 and $1,000, you get your capital back after 299 days, plus all of the compound interest that is being paid out. If you lend 1,000 to 1,001, you get an extra 0.1%, and you get your capital back sooner. You get it back in 239 days. If you lend $5,000 or more, you get an extra 0.2% as a bonus, as a daily interest payout, and you get your capital back sooner, 179 days. $10,000 or more, you get an extra bonus of 0.25% per day, and you get your capital back in 119 days. And you can see here's the option to auto reinvest. You can choose to do this, or you can choose to go back in and check your wallet, and then you do your reinvestments at your own discretion. And this is great. This is the optional capital lock boost. You can get an extra bonus if you choose to leave your capital locked in for an extra 30 days, an extra 60 days, an extra 120 days. After you select that, you click hit and you submit. But first, you gotta put deposit Bitcoins into your DavorCoin Bitcoin wallet by clicking on wallet and clicking on deposit. You're gonna get your Bitcoin address, send your Bitcoins in. After you have your Bitcoins in, you exchange your Bitcoins for DavorCoins by clicking on exchange, and it's gonna show up here how much Bitcoins you got available, and then you just click on all, and then all you gotta do is exchange it for DavorCoins, and you will get your DavorCoins, and then you can start doing your loans. Okay, so again, here you can see I'm going to show y'all my activity from my account. As you can see, I deposited $126 the first time, and I did it on December 30th, and in just 14-15 days it's already been paying out. This is the amount of interest that I've earned on each of these loans that I've been, and these are the dates when they were made, and these are some additional loans that I did. Right now, as y'all can see, I have $1,000 in investments in DavorCoin, and I've already earned $85 in the last 2 weeks, but I didn't start with $1,000. This $500 deposit here was just made on the 9th, and it's already made $34 in interest. Here you can calculate your profits. As you can see here, the last 7 days average of interest is 1.15%. The last 30 days average is 1.4%. So as you can see, that's way much better than Bitconnect. You also have a staking program as well, and I'm going to show that to you. Their staking program is paying 10% the first year, 8% the second year, and 5% the third year. And it's the interests are paid out in a daily form basis. You gotta keep your capital locked in for the first 10 days, and then it'll start paying you your staking bonuses. And as you can see, the price of the DavorCoin is going up. Look at the chart here, the graph. Don't miss out on this opportunity. There's also a referral program. It's 8% commission on the investments of everybody you refer to the program. I am giving away my full 8% if you join DavorCoin using the link in the description box. Just contact me right here after you signed up to DavorCoin and you make your first investment. Contact me and I will send you your 8% bonus so that you can deposit that back in DavorCoins. And I will also send you the spreadsheet that I have developed so that you can calculate your compound interest. Let me show you. This is the one that I've been working from Bitconnect, and as you can see, guys, this is my deposits that I've made into DavorCoin, and 4% is the average right now. And this is the one that I'm using for Bitconnect, but it's pretty similar. So, if y'all can see, I'm going to show you, you can see how the interest is compounding, and this is what my capital is going to look like as the months go by. So by the end of the year, I will easily have $43,000 in capital with just $1,000 deposits and reinvesting every day the interest that it's paying me on a daily basis. And I'm gonna make videos, guys, every couple days so that y'all can see how it's showing up on my account in DavorCoin. But this is the amount of money that I'm gonna be making. So y'all can either see me make money or make some money with me. Just join DavorCoin using the link in the description box and start lending to the platform and start compounding and reinvesting your interest on a daily basis. So I will send you my spreadsheet that I will develop so that you can compound your interest and see how much money you're going to make. I will also send you back your 8% bonus for using my link to sign up so that I can so we can build our teams together. Don't forget to comment, like, turn on notifications, and subscribe to my channel so that y'all can get notifications of every time that I post a video regarding the lending platform, so that y'all can see my journey together, how we are going to be compounding interest and growing the capital passively without having to do anything. So I'll see you guys, and don't forget to join.